Boil the canned tuna for 15 minutes. Drain it to remove the oil. Pour the tuna into a bowl. Add parsley, dill, pickled cucumber, mayonnaise and mustard sauce. Lemon juice, black pepper. Mix well. Boil the potatoes. Add salt, black pepper and butter. Add milk and mix well. Add enough milk to make the mixture dough-like. Place a metal ring on the plate. Fill 1/3 of it with mashed potatoes. Smooth it out completely. Fill 1/3 of the ring with the tuna mixture. Smooth it out completely. Fill the last 1/3 with mashed potatoes. Smooth it out completely. Cover the top with mayonnaise.
That I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and try this recipe. See you next time.